the deepest night where the shadows breathe, no stars above, just a weight on me. The road is cold, every step feels slow, but my heart still beats, so I still go. Walls of silence, oceans in my mind, every doubt whispers I'm running out of time. But in the black where the fear is born, I feel something move like a promise sworn. In the dark I learn to see, not with my eyes but what's in me. There's a tiny ray in the endless night, just a fragile spark, just a thread of light. I walk toward it, step by step,